Okay guys, so within the cut page, this allows us to change the aspect ratio for shorts. Very simple, and it mirrors it everywhere within DaVinci Resolve. The current version of DaVinci Resolve, I'm using Studio version, but this can all be done with the standard version. So this is a 4K footage. So what you need is the 1080 by 1920 portrait mode for shorts. Okay, so that changes that. And it also mirrors that in the timeline settings, and it also mirrors it in the final delivery page. So then if you wanted to add an element like a subscribe button in your video, so then what you would need to do, okay, so let me just go over the timeline. So you've got a subscribe button. I'll put it right in the middle so as you can see. So there's no issue with this as it is at the moment. Obviously you need to make some changes for it to become a short, like add in sort of like borders either side, transparent borders, blurred slightly. That's not what this video is about. There's plenty of videos on how to do short, but with this process you need to obviously go into the Fusion page to delta key this out so the green's not there. So all you see is the subscribe option. So what you would do is you do this as normal. So you go to the Fusion page, go search for delta key, add that in place. You key out the colors, and that looks okay. Yeah, that looks fine. And then you'd add a size node. Okay, after that you make sure you're clicking on the delta key. You add a size node to reduce the size of this, so 1080 by 1920. Okay, so now it's all distorted. I know what you're going to say, it's all distorted, it's correct aspect ratio. How do I fix that? So then what you do is you add a transform node to adjust the aspects of the image. So you'd basically reduce the size slightly, and then you can change the long of the thingy if it's distorted too much, and then you can basically do all sorts with this. So this basically will control where you want it to go, and then you need obviously it to be a different size. You want to basically undistort it like this. Okay, and then basically you want to move it so it's where you want it to be. So let me just move it up the top there. Okay, so if obviously it's where you want it, so let me just fit this to screen, fits the screen. So as you can see, there's plenty more movement. You can move it on the screen as well because you've got this move option. So that looks pretty good to me. Okay, so let me just go to the edit page. So yeah, it's at the top. I'll probably say I need to size it a bit, make it slightly bigger. So just make it slightly bigger. Probably didn't need to change the size of that. There we go. So that's within the box. So with this element, it basically moves on, clicks the button, and then it basically renders off. So that's how this is the formula for the Fusion page if you want to edit anything with the same aspect ratio in the Fusion page. Because if you didn't change the size or anything like that, what you would have is when you did all this and you'd move it up to the screen on the full aspect ratio, you wouldn't see the subscribe box because it's not visible on the screen. Hopefully this video has helped you out, guys, on how to edit shorts in the Fusion page. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the video, and I will catch you in the next one.